Tiny tries it. We're gonna make coffee cubes that we can have with any kind of like protein shake or cream, so that we have it prepped and ready for the 4th tomorrow. Have a refreshing drink. Let's see how it goes. We don't even have a pitcher, so we're going to Target real quick to grab a pitcher to mix everything in. Behind the scenes. Oh, we're going to figure that out. So I found these little ice cube silicone makers from Amazon, so we're going to use this to make the coffee cubes. Perfect. Okay. Now you want to pour it on here to fill. Don't overfill it because we have to cap it. As you overfill, babe, you don't have to fill. You have to cap it. Remember? My OCD is going off right now. Okay, cap it. Tiny's holding his breath right now. Fail. Note to self, that is way too much liquid, but that's okay. Okay, take number 2, because like I said, we shouldn't overfill it because it will go like that. So keep that in mind. Oh, it's gonna. Babe, you're overfilling again.
No, the center's fine because it kicks it out to the outer side.
Okay, well, that's good. This literally looks like the same. Okay, I'm holding my breath now too.
Does it overflow?
It's closed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good job. All right, so we're gonna put that in the refrigerator or the freezer for 24 hours and then make the rest tomorrow. All right, it's been 24 hours. Let's hope that the coffee cubes are frozen. We're gonna see. It's July 4th. It's actually Tiny's and I 1-year anniversary too, so, but we're not gonna do anything today. We're gonna just relax. I just got this pretty cute glassware too for this. Glass, comes with this straw. Yeah, this is cute. Love it. So remember when I said to not overfill it yesterday, babe?
Yeah.
Aggressive. True life behind the scenes.
Oh, it's not bad.
Oh yeah, it's not bad. Ooh, okay.
It's just, that's the bottom side, so you...
That's okay. It's the taste that counts. Better taste good, honey.
Let's see.
So it's super simple to pop out and really easy to wash, tiny size. And there it goes. Okay, so we have our cube coffee. We're just gonna put it in our cup. Looking good. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Okay, and then now we're just gonna add the protein shake. So everyone has their own preference. I personally like the Fairlife one because it's not as sweet. Oh, yes. Yum. All right, I had to switch it to a bigger cup because we are about to head out. I thought we were gonna stay home, but we're not. So success, Tiny tries it. Super creamy, and what I like about it is that when everything kind of melts down more, I'm not gonna lose the flavor because I'm the type of person that will sip on my beverage for like 10 hours. Are you like me? Comment below if you're like me. See you at the next video.
You gotta... Yeah. Okay. Did you hit my arm? Just throw it over here.
You gotta look at it.
Throw it up higher so I have a little more time.
Babe.
I can't. Oh, this is good. Okay, what am I doing? Oh shit.